How to find Facebook profile URL. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find your Facebook profile URL. To do so, first of all, open your Facebook application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. Now here, you will need to tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to the menu page. Now in this menu page here, tap on the profile picture at the top left corner of your screen to go to your profile. And once you reach to this page, here in this profile page, you will be able to locate the three dots icon right next to the edit profile option. Simply tap on it, and in this profile settings, you will need to scroll down, and at the very bottom, you will be able to find your profile link. Now you just simply need to tap on this copy link option at the very bottom to copy or save it to your clipboard for sharing. Now if you want to find someone else's Facebook profile URL, then you will need to come back to the home page. And in this home page, tap on the search icon at the top right corner of your screen, and in the search bar, type in the name of the person you would like to view the profile link. Once you find the person, go to their profile page, and inside the profile page, tap on the three dots icon at the right side. Once you tap on it, in this page, you will be able to see profile link of that person at the bottom. Simply tap on copy link option to save it. So by following these steps, you should be able to find Facebook profile URL. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.